Welcome to our tutorial on external references. This arrow next to the part name indicates that the part has external references. We can find the same indication next to our features. Let's right-click and select List External References. If we select the List External References option under the feature, as in this case, we'll only see the external references that belong to this particular feature. If we selected the List External References option under the part, we would see all the references for that part. At the top, we see the assembly name, where this part or feature belongs. Next, we can select a configuration name if we have them. The feature column is a list of in-context items. In this case, we only have the one sketch. The data column describes the type of data being used. The status column describes the status, such as in context, locked, broken, and so on. The next column describes the actual item being used. And the last column displays the name of the affected component, the seal in our case. We can lock, unlock, and break references from this dialog window. When references are locked, SolidWorks will give us a warning. Let's click OK, and OK again. Now we have an asterisk next to the reference marking beside the feature name. Now if I try to edit the sketch, right-click, Edit Sketch, select this plane, select Offset Entities. The component being edited is locked. You can edit the component but cannot create any external references. If we wish to add external references, we'd need to unlock the component. Let's cancel out of this for now. I'm still able to edit the sketch. If I select the Ignore External References button, I can edit the sketch without receiving these warnings from SolidWorks. Let's cancel for now. Do I want to discard all changes? OK. Next, let's go back to our lid. Right-click, Edit Sketch. I'm going to change this distance to, let's say, 6. OK. Exit the sketch. You see that the seal is the same length, and we don't have an update icon available. Let's right-click on the seal again, select List External References, and let's choose Unlock All. We see the value in the status column has changed to In Context. Let's click OK. Now the seal is updated. Let's go back to the seal. Right-click, List External References. Next, let's look at our next option, Break All. I get a warning message when I select this. Once I break references, I can't reactivate them. Let's click OK. Now, in order to see the references, I need to check List Broken References, and then I'd click OK. Now we have an X marking next to the feature and the component name. Let's right-click and list external references. Check List Broken References. In the status column, I see Broken. Click OK. Once again, let's go to our lid. Let's change its length. Right-click, Edit Sketch. Let's change the length to 7 inches. Exit the sketch. We see that the length of the seal remains unchanged. Right-click on the seal, Edit Part. Let's create a new sketch. Right-click, Sketch. And I'm just going to select this edge. Click Convert Entities. Exit the sketch. We see Sketch 2 has references, and the seal also does as well. Let's right-click, select List External References. If I scroll down, I see Sketch 2 under the Feature column. We have one reference, data type, line, status, in context. Let's cancel. Let's create one more sketch. But let's select the No External References button. The same option is available under Tools, Options, System Options, External References. Uncheck Do Not Create References External to the Model. Let's click Cancel for now. Now we'll right-click and select Insert Sketch. SolidWorks gives us a warning. External references won't be created. Let's select this edge and convert entities. The sketch is blue. It's not defined. The references are not created. Let's exit the sketch. Next, I'll Control-select sketches 2 and 3. Let's right-click and delete. Yes to all. Right-click on Sketch 1, Edit. Select Display, Delete Relation. Select Delete All, and OK. And let's exit the sketch. As you see, we don't have the External References icon next to the Seal component. And this concludes our tutorial on external references.